each pass that you paint are different. Concerned, it shouldn't all be the same. This is basically the back. This is how I started it off, and I'm going to do the back like the front, but I wanted to show you the process when I put the gold in. Now, sometimes I airbrush, sometimes I, you know, brush paint, and I also use paint markers. So what I'm going to do right now is lateral line. So I'm actually going to draw it in with the new paint marker that I have. Both ends, they have, one side has like a brush and one side has a pen kind of idea. I'm going to set them down like that. Huge side twitch. That's the brush. Pretty plain. I actually like that. I'm going to draw a line. Oh, before I start that, I need my eyewear. But I've got to see this. Lateral line runs right through there. I can see it there. So let's see to make sure I got this. I can't see right there. I don't want to get it. I don't want to get it wrong. Start here. Want to put it big. That's the paint. I don't think I'm going to use that side. I'm going to use this a little bit more outer. Okay, let's bring it down so we can see it. Hopefully you can see this. All right. As far as I'm concerned, here's the lateral. And also the lateral, call it, basically it helps the fish here. It's kind of like the fish's ears as far as I'm concerned. Still check some of that stuff. So there's his lateral line. I'm actually going to show you on this side here how I'm going to make other that I've already done on the other side. All right, I'm going to do the back line now before I start the pattern down the center. Now, I really don't have to do this because you're not going to see it. It's going to be against the wall. All right. So there it is there. Now, I'm going to actually switch out Save that one and then switch it to this one. And I'm gonna, they're trying to touch the other one. Pattern comes off the base, which will be off the eye here. Now, there's really no set rule to this, to a point. But you can pretty well figure out what pattern you're going to do. Now, I find this, and you will too, I always call it the awkward stage. I think it really always looks awkward until it's finished painting, because you really don't know where you want to go with it. I'm trying to give myself, oh, that didn't hurt when I just touched it there and didn't really plan to. It's good way to take this down. Okay. Get one across here. Like I said, this side here, and if you get in some on the glass, doesn't matter. Wipes it off the glass eyes. Gives basically the idea. Now we'll get into on the back. Now, I usually like to keep an angle that I can see it, but this is on the back. It usually throws you off a bit. You want to kind of keep it the same. Let's see if I can put it like that. That's the idea there. Some people say these are hard to do. They are with an airbrush to a point, but I'm not using the airbrush on here. I'm trying something different. Yeah. Sorry for blocking that. Right. There we go. That's the idea. Some of them will join. There we go. Get more paint. Too high. There you go. That gives a rough idea. And then we'll show the other side. There you go. Well, there's a lot more to do up top here too. There's going to be some black dots going in. So they have that, and it'll be, see that, a little bit of taking my time. Idea. Okay. Now is when I bring in there's a lot of gold. So other colors go in over top of the gold, and the gold will reflect out because when you pull the fish out of the water, it glistens. Now, I don't know how other people feel about this, but as far as I'm concerned, when a fish is in the open, out of the water in the boat, it's a totally color, and it depends upon the time of day too. Now, if you had a fish in a fish tank, so see underwater, it's dull. It's not as bright as it would be on the wall of your house. A lot of people may argue, but as far as I'm concerned, with it changes fish. So we go by a whole bunch of different kinds of pictures. If you're doing it for somebody and somebody had a picture of it, you want to match it to the picture. Well, I'm lucky in this case. I don't have to match to a picture. I can just go and kind of wing it the way I want to do it. I think it'll look great. They're a lot of fun. Like I said, the back could be a little bit different from the front, but you see it. I got the actual lines just a little bit lower on the other side. I didn't want to actually, like I said, he's going to be against the wall. You're not going to see that, but he's going to be against the wall. You're not going to see the difference between the back and the front, but I just did it so that you could see how it was done. And then I'm going to work on the green on here, the green and the black. And then also inside the gills, I'm going to get started soon, putting the red in there. So there you go. We're getting there. You don't have to be scared. Paint. You make a mistake, you wipe it up. All right. Time for the clear coat. Make sure I turn that. And there we go. Clear coat done. First coat anyway. Oh, this is actually right here, a little piece right there. Quick, zoom out that one. There we go. Now we're happy.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.